In this video, we are going to talk about how to eliminate the gap that can sometimes form when you're joining in the round. So with this method, we're going to be knitting this last stitch that we cast on together with the first stitch that we cast on as we join in the round. So if you're going to use this method, you need to cast on one extra stitch because we're going to lose one as we work them together. So for my pattern, it calls for 88 stitches. I have cast on 89 stitches, and we're going to make sure that all of our cast on stitches are in the same direction so that we don't get a twist in our round. And then we are just going to orient ourselves with the stitches that we most recently cast on in our right hand and the stitches that we cast on first in our left hand. So we'll take this stitch that we most recently cast on and slip it over to the left hand needle. Okay, and since the stitch that we work next is going to be the beginning of the round, we can go ahead and put our stitch marker on our right hand needle to mark the beginning of the round. Now this is the stitch that I just slipped over, and this is the first stitch that I cast on, and I am going to work those together. Okay, so now I have joined it in the round. You can see that it's joined in the round, and this, where my stitch marker is, there isn't a little gap there, so that's nice and tidy.